So today I'm breaking down whether the ASUS G16 is the best gaming laptop gift of the year, or if there's something better for your money. But before we get into the benchmarks and thermals, let me show you something most G series users never check. If your games randomly drop FPS, or your laptop gets unusually hot, there's one hidden feature in Armoury Crate that fixes it instantly. I'll come back to that in a bit. Now, the ASUS G16, this year's model, is cleaner, thinner, and way more premium than the older ROG designs. Open the lid and the first thing you notice is the display. The new ROG Nebula panel is brighter, smoother, and honestly makes every game look like it leveled up. And here's your first transformation moment. The performance with Intel's latest Core Ultra CPU and RTX 40 series, this thing flies. AAA titles on high settings, no problem. Temps stay surprisingly stable thanks to the new vapor cooling layout. But the part that shocked me? The battery life. Gaming laptops are known for dying in 2 hours, but the G16 actually lasts longer thanks to advanced hybrid GPU switching. Then there's the keyboard and speakers. RGB looks cleaner, key travel feels better, and the speakers are loud without distortion. Now, the hidden feature I mentioned earlier, open Armoury Crate, click Performance, then go to Manual Mode, and enable GPU Power Boost. This unlocks extra wattage and instantly smooths out FPS dips in demanding games. So, is the ASUS G16 the best laptop gift of the year? If you want next level performance, a premium design, and a screen that blows away most competitors, yes, it's one of the best picks of 2025. But if you need a budget option or ultra long battery life, you might want to look elsewhere. If you want a full setup guide for the G16, drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple US tech reviews.